How to see what someone else likes on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to see liked posts on Instagram. So, Instagram removed the easy way to view a user's recent activity, but you can still see the liked post with a workaround. Without further ado, let's begin. Open Instagram. Now navigate to the person's profile, tap the following, and select any user they follow. After that, browse that user's profile to see posts they have liked. If you do not see much, they have turned off the activity status. Here's how to do the same. What you can do is you can navigate to the profile at bottom right corner of yours and select the three-bar menu icon at top right. Now head towards the setting and activity page, scroll down and look for the option of messages and story replies on how other can interact with you. Select show activity status and make sure you turn on the button to show your activity, or you can toggle it off to hide your activity from others. So if this helped, like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. I hope this guide worked. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.